Chemical properties of alkanes. First chemical property, substitution. One or more hydrogen atoms of alkanes can be replaced by halogen, nitro group and sulfonic acid group. Halogenation takes place either at higher temperature or in the presence of diffused sunlight or ultraviolet light. It is found that rate of the reaction of alkanes with halogen is fluorine greater than chlorine, greater than bromine, greater than iodine. Rate of replacement of hydrogens of alkane is tertiary greater than secondary greater than primary. Halogen is supposed to proceed via free radical mechanism. The free radical mechanism are showed by 3 steps: initiation, propagation and termination. The first step is initiation, where the reaction is initiated by homolysis or breaking of the chlorine molecule in the presence of light or heat. The Cl-Cl bond is weaker than the Cc and Ch bond and hence it is easy to break. The second step is propagation, where the chlorine free radical attacks the methane molecule and takes the reaction by breaking the CH bond and generating methyl free radical by the formation of HCl. The methyl free radical thus obtained attacks the second molecule of chlorine to form CH3Cl. The last step is called termination reaction. The reaction stops after some time due to consumption of the reactants or maybe due to the possible any of the following side reactions. Second chemical property, combustion. Alkanes on heating in the presence of air or dioxygen are completely oxidized to carbon dioxide and water with the evolution of large amount of heat. However, if the combustion is incomplete using insufficient amount of air or dioxygen, carbon black is formed as the product. Third chemical property, controlled oxidation. Alkanes on heating with a regulated supply of dioxygen or air at high pressure and in the presence of suitable catalyst give a variety of oxidation products. Fourth chemical property, isomerization. Alkanes on heating in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride and hydrogen chloride gas isomerize to branch chain alkanes. Fifth chemical property, aromatization. In aromatization, alkanes having 6 or more carbon atoms on heating to 773 Kelvin at 10 to 20 atmospheric pressure in the presence of oxides of vanadium, molybdenum or chromium supported over alumina get dehydrogenated and cyclized to benzene and its homologous compounds. Sixth property, alkanes react with steam, that is water at temperature 1273 Kelvin in the presence of nickel as catalyst to form carbon monoxide and dihydrogen gas. Last property, pyrolysis. Higher alkanes on heating to high temperature decompose into lower alkanes into smaller fragments by the application of heat is called pyrolysis or cracking.